Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called outfitsai.com. So this is the website. This is the website where you can try on your new outfits. You can upload any photo you want to upload here, and after uploading that photo, it will change those photos into artificial intelligence generated photos where you can replace the clothes with whatever images you want. So you can see some of the photos here. You can see the original image here, and this is the outfit AI generated image. So it can do it seamlessly. So these are some of the sample images where the original image has been uploaded and it has converted into AI generated image. So you can try it out. This is not available for free. It has a cost. It's a basic cost that comes around $6 per month for 10 images to get started with. You can try it out. If you like it, you can subscribe and use their service. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.